All right, everybody, the day's finally here. About to leave for Silver Lake. Really excited. Recently had the trip up to Baldwin and ripped the dune buggy around the trails, which actually I will tell you the story when we get there and we see the dune buggy again. I did a little damage to it I really wasn't aware of, so that was pretty exciting. But yeah, we've got the truck and the trailer basically packed and ready to go. So we're gonna get out of here in a few minutes, go pick up the kiddos from school and start. It's about another 2.5 hour drive. It's not too bad. So gonna hop in the truck, hit the road, and see when we get to Silver Lake. Well, we've made it to Silver Lake, gotten all set up at the campground. Got the trailer hanging out over here, and buddy site's over here. Got some other friends behind us, and then ooh, look what we have here. We have the friends you all know from Baldwin, the Can-Am, and everyone's favorite ride, the dune buggy. So easy drive. Well, Grand Rapids traffic was kind of not great, but yeah, hoping to have a good night. Gonna get everything ready for tomorrow morning, get out and hit the dunes. Well, speaking of, there's nobody here. I love camping in a park with no one in it. This is pretty great. So yeah, gonna have a good night, get ready, get on the dunes tomorrow. Hopefully be some of the only people out there, and gonna have a fun time. So see you in the morning. Well, we're finally about ready to hit the road. It's been quite a morning of preparing, but we've got all the rigs ready to go. So gonna hop in, go grab some fuel, and then get on the sand. I saw the back end of it. I didn't. What? No way. Man, I wish I would have seen it. Unexpected fun this morning. Turns out the Prerunner Invasion is this weekend up here in Silver Lake, so we decided we'd come stop. It rained this morning, but there are tons of awesome rigs out here this morning. So we're gonna walk around, get a little video of these things, and see what we can find. Back out at the beach at Silver Lake Sand Dunes, and you can tell it's a lot more frisky on a Saturday. It's getting crazy out here. The Prerunner event was this morning over at the golf course, and I've already seen a bunch of those guys have been out here. So we're gonna take a break, just check the oil leak on the buggy. Hopefully we got that mostly cleared up, but yeah, gonna let it cool off for a second and go see what kind of fun we can get into.
radio?
Buddy, what's that called?
What that called? What's it called? It's a radio.
Of course, you have to get back in it.
I know.
You crazy kid. Crazy kid. Oh, you smell fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we made it home from Silver Lake. Just got unloaded. Well, still unloading over there. But got the Dune Buggy unloaded. Friend came, dropped it off. So we got some work to do, folks. We had to replace the gasket between the fuel pump and the block, and between the pedestal and the block as well, while we were up there squeezing out oil. And now I think it's squeezing out oil underneath the alternator pedestal. So a lot of crankcase pressure. We're gonna get it fixed. Discovered a fuel line that's a weird diameter. I don't know. You know, you start tearing into these things and you start to find out what other people did. But hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you're not subscribed already, you know, hit the subscribe button if you like what you see here. Hit the notification bell so you know when these videos go live. If you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And I'll be up at Silver Lake again. I'm planning to be up there August, I can't remember the date, 19th or something. Whatever the day is in August for the old school buggy meet on the dunes. So any of you locally that want to come up and say hello, it'd be great to see you. And as always, appreciate you checking out the video. See you in the next one. Thanks.